Welcome back for another Litecoin price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price target areas and also give you reasons why Litecoin can see a break above the $67 mark in the next coming hours. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Litecoin is holding above, that is below the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. We are also holding above support at around the $64.02 mark, which is also acting as support for us to continue gearing up. And I believe that the move that we are seeing here on the charts, holding above this ascending trend line, has been obeying the Elliot structures. And you can see that after seeing the low that we made on the 11th of September at around the $57.59 mark, Litecoin has been seeing this massive bounce to the upper side in a move that we can first term this as a wave 1. Then we saw a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2. Then we saw this impulse in the formation of that wave 3, getting us into resistance at around the $67.2 mark. And there are also high chances that this breakdown move over here is a wave 4, and in the next coming hours we can see another massive pump in the formation of that wave 5, and giving you minimum target areas for that wave 5 to the upper side by connecting the trend based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that wave 3. I get a minimum target area for the wave 5 at the fib level 1.618, that is the fib level 0.618, and that is at around the $69.42 mark. And there are high chances that in the next coming hours we might continue seeing higher prices, since we are holding above support and also holding above our ascending trend line. See a break above the 20-day MA, flip it into support, get above resistance at around the $67.2 mark, get a successful retest, and then continue gearing up, where we can easily see Litecoin get above the $69.45 mark, which is our target area for that wave 5 to the upper side. And once that plays out, then we can name this 5 wave structure to the upper side as a larger Elliot wave count 1. Alternatively, we also need to have a worst case scenario that can also play out in case we continue seeing further breakdown on the charts, where in case such a movement plays out, we can expect our key area of support at around the $64.06 mark to act as support and give us that bounce back to the upper side. But in case that key area of support breaks, then maybe give us a retest of that key area of support, we can easily see Litecoin get to the next key area of support at around the $62.31 mark. That is the alternative scenario that you also need to have in mind in case we don't see that uptick here on the Litecoin chart. Also, taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the $52 mark, fully supporting higher prices. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, though we are seeing a sharp decrease in the selling momentum, suggesting that soon we might be able to print a bullish cross. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.